Hey guys, Boneyard here. What we got on the lift is this John Deere Z225, and it's got a bad right side hydro. So what we're going to do today is put this brand new right side hydro in. $800 and change from John Deere. And then, so let's get this thing up in the air. And let's see what we got to do to change it. See my boneyard clock that I made? Pretty cool, right? Okay. Here's my lift control. This one here puts the lift up. And this one with a 3-horse Briggs & Stratton muffler dumps it. All copper line, air lines. Anyway, let's get going here. Enough of that. Put the safety down. Then I'll dump it. Turn that off for now, so you guys can hear me. Alright, so let's take a peek under here and see what we got. Hopefully you can see. So that's the victim there. I checked the fluid. It does have fluid in it. So something went south in it. So the guy, I told him if he wanted to change it, for him to go get the part. And I would put it in. So he already paid for it. So I just got to install it. So it looks like we got to take the wheel off, jack it up, get this wheel off. We got a couple bolts here, a couple bolts down there. We got some linkage going to it. Don't look too bad, so I'm going to get it jacked up and get the tire off so we can see a little more, and I'll be back. Just want to show you guys, someone had these wheels off before, or they did it from the factory, or wherever he bought it, I don't know. Look at the lug nuts. Hopefully you can see. See the taper right there? They got them on backwards. They put the flat spot against the rim instead of that taper going into that rim there. So it's the same thing on the other side. So we'll be changing them all around. Just goes to tell you, whoever they have putting these things together, sometimes they don't take the time to do it right. So, as a small engine mechanic, you want to check all that stuff out when you're working on them. All right, guys, I'm going to keep rolling here. Okay, so what it looks like is we got a bolt here and a bolt here. Looks like 1/2 inch, 13 millimeter. Bolt here and a bolt here, and then we got one here, and then we got a bracket back here that goes down to right there, and then we got to take the belt off, and then this hydro should come right out. So I'm going to go ahead and get all these bolts out and see if we can get this down. I already looked at the other one. It does look like it's the right one. Different part number, but that don't matter. They change part numbers every minute. So, okay guys, I'm gonna get the bolts out. Okay, so I have the old one out. New one sitting beside it. And it looks like to me they changed the fan. This is the fan on, you know, the old one. It's under the pulley. And this is the fan on a new one. It's over the pulley and it's much bigger. So I'm wondering if they had trouble with that fan not being big enough and overheating the hydro, and that's why it took a crack. So everything else looks the same other than that fan. So only thing we got to change is we got to take this bracket off of here, put it on here, and take off this bracket that goes to the free wheel lever. Take that off and put that on, and then we should be able to just throw it back on the mower. Everything else is there. This got, I just noticed this got a brake here. That one has a shaft coming out but no brake. On this particular mower, the brake, which is right here, got these teeth that go down into the tires, which I don't like. I think I have that in my other video when I serviced this thing a while ago. So we're not going to hook anything up to that brake on that new one. So yeah, a little different, but I think it's going to work. So I'm going to get those brackets changed over, and we'll get it back on the tractor there. Okay, so we run into a problem. You know that nice big fan I was talking about? It hits the top of the frame. I can't get the hydro all the way up to where it will bolt without hitting this. So I'm afraid I'm going to have to take the old pulley fan setup off the old hydro, and hopefully I can put it on this one. So we're going to give that a try. Okay, so we got it all together. And what I did is I took the new fan off. You can see, and put the old fan and pulley on it. It seemed to fit good. Everything looks like it lined up pretty good. I had it running. The belt looks nice and straight. So we're going to go ahead and put the tire on. Take it off the lift and take it for a spin. See how she does. There's the old one. Some of the oil leaked out. Look how milky it is. Must have had a leak somewhere. Water got in there somehow. Pick up some of my tools. So yeah, I changed the lug nuts the right way on this side. Okay, we're going to get that tire on. Okay, got the tire back on, got it all back together. I'm going to go ahead and lower the lift. Okay, I'm going to shut the camera off and let's get it outside. Okay guys, we took it out for a test ride. I didn't have anybody home to video the test ride, but took it out, and the right side, the side that we replaced, was going slower than the left side. So, you know, of course I had to adjust all the linkage. I went into there and adjusted the linkage and adjusted it too much, and then it went faster. The right side went faster than the left side. So we had to find a happy medium, but we got it. It goes nice and straight now with the handles all the way forward. It doesn't pull to either side, so we got it pretty good now. And same in reverse. So yeah, that's that. I mean, it went pretty good, other than I had to use the old pulley and the old fan. Other than that, everything else fit perfect. And this is a homeowner one, but he does I guess he's got a few lawns that he mows after his regular job. So I wouldn't say he's a commercial, but he uses it a little more than a homeowner. But I told him these ain't really set up to be cutting any more lawns than your own. But anyway, and I think the other hydro somehow got water in the hydro case. It was all milky, and that's what must have, took it out. But anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. I know I haven't been posting much. Had a lot going on, but we're back and we're gonna get some more videos out there. And anywho, you guys have a good night. Stay safe. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell. That will give you notifications on posting videos. Give me a comment if you like it. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Whatever you guys like. And we will see you on the next one. Boneyards out.